This is Unravel Calm, a hands-on meditation practice using rope, breath, and rhythm to notice more and control less. Each session is designed to meet tension where it lives, in the body, in the grip, in the moment. Today, we'll loosen the loop around performance anxiety together. This is the breath before the moment, the hush before your name gets called, the stillness before the serve, the space between ready and go. Your body's already alive. That hum you feel, it's not a problem. In performance psychology, they call it pre-performance arousal, the activation that says, this matters. We're not here to kill that energy. We're here to aim it. We'll use simple rope movements, soft breath, and gentle prompts to steady the body before high-stakes moments like interviews, presentations, competitions, or tough conversations. If your chest tightens before you perform, this is for you. I use this before presentations, public speaking, interviews, anything where I need to be on. When the pressure spikes and the breath shortens, it's not about calming down. It's about loosening the grip so you can step in steady. Now we'll name what's tangled so we can feel it clearly, not fear it. This is how we begin regulating arousal, not by shutting it down, but by tuning it. Some nerves ask to be lowered. Some ask to be focused. There's no one right level of energy, only the one that helps you meet this moment well. Too much and your hands shake. Too little and your drive fades. We're looking for the zone where you feel alert but not overwhelmed. Pick up your rope. We'll begin to tie knots, each one a shape for the pressure you carry today. As you tie, name what it represents. Start the first knot. Let it represent whatever's loudest right now. Fear of failure, wanting to prove yourself, not feeling ready. Now the next knot. This one might be quieter, but it's there. Maybe it's needing to impress or not wanting to let someone down. And the third. This one you don't have to name at all. Just let it take shape with your hands. Whatever it is, it belongs here too. I invite you to keep tying. Make this tangle your own, and add as many knots as you need to give shape to your stress today. Take your time. I'll stay quiet while you build your tangle. When you're ready, pause with the rope in your hands. Notice what you built. This isn't just a collection of random knots. It's a mirror, and we'll use it to decide what needs softening and what's already asking to be let go. Now we'll breathe with the tangle, just to feel how the body responds. Nothing to fix yet, just loosening the grip one exhale at a time. Hold the rope gently in both hands. We'll work with the breath. One inhale to notice, one exhale to soften. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 6. Again, inhale for 4. Notice any part of you that is beginning to relax into focus. Exhale for 6. Sink deeper into regulation of your emotions. One more cycle. Let the rope stay still. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 6. Now, on each exhale, we'll soften one knot. Not untie it, just loosen a little bit. A tiny yield, a micro release. Find one knot of your tangle. On your next exhale, soften it slightly. Let the tension give just a little bit. Choose another. Inhale gently. Exhale, soften it. This is how we tune. Not all the way down, just out of the red zone. If a knot resists, that's okay. You can skip it. Sometimes the regulation is in the restraint, not the unravel. Take one more breath. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 6. And hold the rope. Just hold it. Notice if anything shifted. You don't need to feel relaxed. You just need to feel slightly more ready. That's progress. Now we begin to release. Not all at once, just one breath, one choice, one small unravel at a time. You've named the pressure. You've breathed with it. Now we practice letting go of what doesn't serve, so you can carry what does. And this isn't about becoming calm, it's about becoming ready. In performance psychology, they call this the shift into your ideal arousal zone. That focused, responsive state where your timing sharpens, your presence deepens, and your body knows what to do. That shift starts here. One breath, one untie, one choice at a time. Pick up your rope, hold one knot that's asking for space. Not always the biggest knot, just the one that's ready. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 6. And begin to gently loosen. You're not erasing tension, you're making it usable. Find another knot. Let it represent a specific pressure, like needing to be perfect, or fearing you'll forget the words. Now say it softly in your mind. I can release this. Inhale for 4. Exhale for 6. And untie. This is where we turn tension into clarity, where nerves become signal, not noise. You're choosing what comes with you, to the court, to the room, to the stage. Keep going. This is your untangle time. Take what you've practiced and make it yours. I'll stay quiet while you work with your rope. When you're ready, let your hands pause. Some knots may still be there, and that's okay. But notice what changed, not in the rope, in you. You practiced handling tension on purpose. You turned it from a threat into a tool. And now, you're not just less anxious, you're more prepared. We'll close by integrating what you practiced, so you leave not just calmer, but more equipped to meet the moment. You didn't just sit with your stress, you shaped it. You worked with breath, rope, and rhythm to meet your edge without flinching. You didn't push the nerves away. You loosened the grip, and in doing that, you gave yourself room to move, to speak, to start. And that's what readiness feels like. Not the absence of pressure, but your ability to stand inside it and still choose your next step. So whatever comes next, the serve, the interview, the speech, the moment, let it come. You've practiced for this. You've trained your breath. You've met the mirror in your hands. And now, you are more ready than you were before. Let the rope rest. Let your body be still. Feel that readiness settle in. Steady, not perfect, just ready. If you ever need it again, this exact path is here. Tangle, breathe, unravel, then begin. Please share this with anyone you think could benefit from this practice. Thank you for being here with me today as we untangle the mind, one knot at a time.